Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Children, as you know, we are studying our chapter number 6, Formatting a Document. In this chapter, today we are going to learn bullet and numbered list, which is given on page number 54 in your computer textbook. So be ready with your textbook to learn bullets and numbering. Let's start with changing line spacing. Line spacing means we can manage spacing between lines that we typed in Word 2010. Line spacing is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text. It is in paragraph also and it is in sentence also. Vertical distance between line, it is called line spacing. We can also increase or decrease the line spacing between a paragraph. Not only in lines but between a paragraph we can also increase or decrease line spacing. Now here on the screen you can see line spacing option is available in paragraph group of home tab. Here in paragraph group, this is in home tab, this is our line spacing option button. Now you can see so many line spacing are there: 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0, and the last is line spacing options. From this you can increase more than 3.0 spacing between successive lines. Here 1.15 is already ticked. It means it is the by default line spacing of Word 2010. When we are open Word, by default line spacing is 1.15. Yes, so this is by default line spacing in Word 2010. So now let's see practically how can we change line spacing in Word 2010. So students, this is my computer screen and today we are going to learn line spacing in Word 2010. So let's first start Word 2010. For that we have to first click on start button. This is our start button. Click on this, choose all programs, find Microsoft Office. At downside, yes, this is Microsoft Office. Click on this. Now next is Microsoft Word 2010. Click on this. It is our main screen and here it is paragraph group and home tab available in home tab. This is our line and paragraph spacing button available in paragraph group. Okay, it is used to change the spacing between the text of lines of paragraph or sentences. Okay, so I have already typed one file to explain the line spacing. One paragraph I have already typed. I will open that file. So first click on file tab, then choose open, and this is open dialog box. I will select desktop because my file on desktop, and this is my file. According to me the computer is Boon, so I will open it. This is line spacing file. So this is my paragraph and I will show you the effect of line spacing on this paragraph. So first we have to select the paragraph to see the effect of line spacing. Okay, so let's select the paragraph first, then after we are going to choose the line spacing options. Okay, so let's start selecting from first to last using mouse. Now go to paragraph group and choose line spacing button. Here so many line spacing available. By default is 1.15. When we will open Word, Microsoft Word provides by default line spacing is 1.15. You can see when I am moving cursor on the line spacing options, line spacing are increasing and decreasing in a document. Okay, it will show us effect, how it look like after selecting any line spacing option. Okay, now which you want to select, then click on that. Okay, let's select any one. Here 1.15 is already line spacing by default, so we are going to click on first any of them. First click on 1.0. Click on this. You can see the spacing become spacing decrease now because line spacing is 1.0. Now I will select 3.0. This you can see the spacing become more and it will increase. Now again select the whole paragraph and click on 2.0. Now you can see spacing decrease now and it will become less between lines. Now again select the 3 lines and select 1.0. It will show the whole paragraph effect because we don't press enter at the typing of the paragraph, that's why. Okay, so this is line spacing. From here you can choose any line spacing option and make line spacing between text. Okay, another method, you can also choose paragraph button at the right bottom corner. This is paragraph button and click on this. It will show you a paragraph dialog box. In this, indentation and spacing, these two options are also for line spacing. From here you can also change the line spacing. Here it is in words available: single, 1.5 lines, double, at least, exactly and multiple. Multiple is equal to 3.0. Here given in words, that's why. From here you can also change the line spacing, and from here you can change before and after line spacing of any sentence. Okay, and then after you have to click on OK. Let's select first paragraph, any single line. I am giving enter before computer because it become another sentence, that's why. Now select this single sentence, and from here paragraph button, click after spacing. It is already 10, so I will decrease it to 0. Okay, now click OK. You can see after the sentence space will decrease. Now again select the 2 lines, single sentence is there, and increase after spacing 12, 24, 36, 42. Now place OK. You can see the space will increase. Now again select it and before spacing, increase before spacing, this spacing before the sentence. Click on this, increase 60. You can see now, click on OK button. OK, you can see now the space will increase before the sentence. So this way you can select any single sentence and manage spacing between them using paragraph button also. Okay, so this way you can change the line spacing of any sentence or paragraph. Now here I will type 0 because I want to make normal my paragraph, that's why. Click on OK button. Now it is normal paragraph. Okay, so this is all about line spacing in the paragraph group of Home tab, and you can manage line spacing between text lines. Our today's next topic is creating bulleted or numbered list. When you want to make a list of objects or anything, then you can use bullet or numbered list. And Word provides 2 types of list: bulleted list and numbered list. When you want to make list order wise, then you can use numbered list, and when order doesn't matter for you, then you can use bulleted list in Word 2010. A bullet is a small graphic symbol that is placed in front of items in a list. Like this, you can see bullet. This is bullet. Bullet is a small graphical symbol, means one type of design that is placed in front of any item. This is our item name that is placed before any item name, and it will make a list. Okay, it is used to set items or objects in a list. There are 2 types of list: bullet list and number list, that Word provide us. So these is bullets and this is numbering. When you want to make a list order wise, then you can use numbering, and when you want when order doesn't matter for you, then you can use bullets for that. So first is bullets. I have make one list of fruits here using bullets. So every time when I am pressing enter after typing first object, then the second bullet will automatically come. Okay, and then I just have to type the next item name. No need to take bullets every time. Okay, same as for numbering. When I select numbering, then first I give to type name, then after I am pressing enter, then after I don't have to take numbering again. It will automatically type number 2 after 1 and so on. So this is bullets and numbering. Let's see practically how can we take bulleted and numbered list in Word 2010. This is my computer screen. Let's see how can we make bulleted or numbered list in Word 2010. So first let's start Word 2010. For that, first click on Start button, then choose All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office, and in that Microsoft Word 2010. This is our main screen of Word 2010. Now here in paragraph group, this is bullets button, and besides it this is numbering button. Okay, in paragraph group in home tab. Okay, bullets button and numbering button. Okay, bullets is sets a bulleted list and make a list of items. These are the available bullets that you can see on the screen, and this is cursor. When I am selecting any bullet, then after that design will apply to my document. Okay, I am clicking on this, so it will, you can see it is now available in our document, and the cursor move to after it. Now I am making list. I typed apple. When I am pressing enter, then the next bullet will automatically came. Orange, enter. You can see the next bullet will automatically come. Pineapple, enter. And mango. You can see I made one list of fruits, and it's looking very beautiful because I applied bullets effect on this. Now again select the whole paragraph. After typing the list, you can also change your bullet. Now I am selecting this arrow. You can see now bullet will changed. Now I am clicking on change, define new bullet. You can also choose your own bullet by define new bullet option. It will show you the dialog box. From this you can define your own bullet. Click on picture or symbol. Click on symbol. So these all are symbols that we can use for bullet. Okay, from this you can choose any one as a bullet. I am clicking on smiley. Okay, so it is smiley. Click on this and click on OK button, and here it is, click on OK button. You can see our bullets will change to smiley bullets. So this way you can also define your own bullets. Okay, now let's see. Now to remove the effect of bullet, you just have to press shift enter after the mango. Okay, shift and enter. I am pressing from the keyboard shift plus enter key. You can see now next bullet is not came because I pressed shift enter from the keyboard. Okay, so bullet list now over here. Now next we are moving to numbering. Click on numbering button beside arrow, and here you can see so many numbering options available. 1 2 3 with dot, 1 2 3 with bracket, Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers. I will select 1 2 3 with brackets. So 1 is automatically came. Now I am going to make a list of names of children. First is Ram, then after when I am pressing enter, 2 will automatically come. Then Samir, then Kia, next is Veera, next name is Brinda. Okay, so this way I can make list order wise using numbering. Number will automatically key. Now again select and choose any numbering from it. You can also change it after typing the list. This is capital Roman, this is ABC capital, small ABC with dot, and this is small Roman numbers. These all are numbered list that you can choose. Okay, when you want to make a list order wise. Okay, so this way we can add bullet list and numbered list in our document when we want to make list. Okay. So children, this much for today's study. In next class we will do further in this chapter. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.